if you find yourself with a camera in your hand and you want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment down below what you would like to learn more about. Hi, Photos photographers. Perhaps some of your clients don't really want the quality prints that you have available to you through your laboratories. I would suggest you not letting that play on your mind as you offer them different things. If you do the printing for them, and I do suggest that, then I would suggest pricing that into your products. That way you can get them the quality that you know your stuff looks best with, and you're not having to argue with your clients over that. You can just deliver it to them. That's part of what they came to you for, so that they don't have to take care of these kind of finite decisions that are better suited to a professional. Now, I'm not saying take that out of their hands. If they have specific requests and they themselves are a professional or an artist and they know exactly what they want, they perhaps may be your better client to be able to upsell on quality stuff. So then, I guess in that respect, my suggestion to that is know the breakdown of your costs in your package, so that you know what your base charge is for your fee of your session, your time, and all that. But then you can upsell them on the better quality products and everything else, adding to your charge of your package fee. That's kind of that kind of a business tip but good tip. Good tip. You can buy photo printers for home use that are you buy different paper types, and it's not just glossy paper, it's high glossy premium. I mean, I don't know what the differences are, but I do know recently for one of the shoots I just did, the client that hired me was actually hiring me for six or seven portrait sessions. But the purpose we were doing when we were talking about where the end product would go for our client, we asked them if they were printing at home with the photo printer we knew they had, or if they were going to send it out. And they ended up printing in home. So then we gave them guidance and suggestion of the printer that they should, the printer paper they should buy. We formatted it specifically so that, and we did like 2 or 3 different test prints to make sure that the size photograph they were asking for, each of the photographs that we produced for them, finished, color corrected, and all that, we made sure that the size photograph they wanted was sized specifically to get 2 prints per 8.5 by 11 paper. The color correction was correct. I mean, just everything that we did and worked with them on for the prints after the 2 or 3 test prints. I mean, these photographs came out, we got like 3 or 4 compliments per shoot. So, I mean, if we really wanted to, we could have, I mean, I do want to, I just haven't taken the time, and that's on me. We could send out a request and get some great reputation recommends from that session of 6 or 7 shoots for portraits. So that's kind of to illustrate, know the medium that your photographs are going to be used for, so that when you edit them, when you shoot them, and all, I mean, the shooting is important to keep some of that in mind, of knowing, okay, so this is going to a physical medium. We want to get the color as correct as possible. That's going to be a huge help. But then when you're editing, knowing that you need to get everything squared in except for the color, and then do a test print, and then do the fine tuning of the color correction after that. That's key. Thank y'all so much for watching, and look forward to hearing your comments of what this content has added to you or made you think about. If you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription. Thank you so much. God bless.